I'd like to take a minute to talk about some of the percussion accessories. The first one is something you'll run across fairly frequently, which is claves. And it's important to have an idea of what a good clave sound is and how to produce it. Because really, what we've got here is a couple of sticks. And hitting two sticks together doesn't really sound like claves. So what you need to do is cup, if you're right-handed, cup your left hand and make a little chamber under there. So it's resting between your index finger, your thumb, and the back of your hand here. And that will allow the claves to resonate. Usually used in Latin music, these claves come from South America. They're made out of rosewood, and I think they have a really nice sound. Next, we're going to talk about the triangle. You see triangle parts all the time. And the best way to play the triangle is to hold it. So you need a good triangle clip that suspends the triangle so it can ring. And the triangle's one of the ringiest instruments we have. So you hold it with your offhand, you play it down in the corner here. That's where you get the biggest sound, the most overtones. I'll show you from this way, sort of at an angle too. And then when it calls for a roll, you put that stick in the corner. That's a triangle roll. Last is the tambourine. Also very common in percussion writing. You hold it, put your thumb on top, put your fingers around the bottom, and there's a few different ways that this can be played. The first, most common way is to just put your fingers into a point like that. Then you need to know how to do a tambourine roll, which is done by shaking it. Then there's another kind of roll you can do with your thumb by buzzing it along the edge. Everybody likes that. Then you can also use your knee to play the tambourine by bouncing it between your hand and your knee. That's the tambourine. These are very common percussion accessory instruments that you'll run into all band and orchestra repertoire. So it's good to familiarize yourself with these and get comfortable and have fun with them.